Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Already state governments are now using SIR decisions to deprive people under the public distribution system and other welfare benefits. So even if the Supreme Court maintains that voters list deletion does not amount to loss of citizenship, where does someone whose access to welfare, basic welfare has been cut off, turn to? The latest clarification, now this is very interesting because all of you hold passports, because there are hardly 6.7% people who hold passports. Now the latest clarification is that the passport is not a proof of your citizenship. In practical terms, a valid passport is treated as proof of citizenship when entering India and also when entering another country. The issuing authority is the Passport Seva Program Division, which operates under the Ministry of External Affairs. Not the process of obtaining one involves considerable scrutiny, authentication, collaboration to see the list. A host of documents must be submitted and their veracity examined. Police verification must be conducted. After all this strict checking, if the state turns around and says that the passport is not proof of citizenship, what is it getting at? It doesn't trust its own verification purpose. That it does not believe in the authenticity of identify documents issued by itself. This is arguably, in my opinion, nothing short of an assault on the very concept of citizenship. All of this raises a host of questions. For example, crores of Indians do not have the kind of documentary evidence that is being asked for under the SIR today. Is shifting the burden of proof on voters already on the rolls of to re-establish their eligibility unfair for marginalized or migrant workers? Worse still, does renewal form an electoral roll automatically deprive someone from access to social welfare, subsidies and benefits? Also, where there is the administrative due process,